Hello, I'm visiting with Dr. Benjamin Weeks, who's a professor of biology at Adelphi University. We're discussing vitamin C, and what I wanted to ask you, Dr. Weeks, is that are all vitamin C's created equal? I mean, there's a lot of vitamin C product out on the market. Could you talk about that?
Absolutely, and there are indeed a variety of formulations that are available on the market. It is important that people understand that vitamin C is vitamin C.
Okay.
However, it is formulated differently with regard to the delivery system to the body.
The delivery system is the important aspect.
This is right, how it gets into the body, because as I had mentioned before, you don't make vitamin C. Your body doesn't make it, but you need it for all of these systems
Functions, yes.
and functions. And so you need to take it in as a supplement or in your diet. And they're not all equal with regard to how they get into your body. And I've actually done research in my laboratory comparing some of the popular formulations of vitamin C that are available on the market with regard to their ability to get into the body, taken up by cells, and have a positive benefit on the body and cell behavior.
And you've done this as a scientist, right?
Absolutely, in my research laboratory at Adelphi University.
What have you found?
There are actually, it's important to know, there's two main barriers, two main obstacles to the vitamin C getting to where it needs to go to have its positive effects. The first barrier is when you take it in orally, it has to get out of your stomach and into your bloodstream.
Okay.
Once the vitamin C gets out of the stomach and into the bloodstream, it has to get into the cells of the body in order to impart its beneficial effects. The vitamin C has to actually get into a cell. So the first barrier is the gastrointestinal tract getting out of that into the blood. And the second barrier is the membrane of the cell getting through the membrane of the cell into the cell where it has its positive effects.
So some vitamin C's can deliver that and others can't?
Absolutely. All can to some extent.
All right.
However, some are better at getting into the body.
Well, that's
and
good
then
to know.
into cells. And my recent research has shown that a new formulation of vitamin C, known as Pureway C, is more rapidly absorbed into the human body when taken orally, gets into the bloodstream more quickly, and then once in the bloodstream, I've also shown it goes into the cells more quickly, not simply because it got into the bloodstream more quickly, or barrier one, but even if you start there where it's all in the bloodstream, Pureway C is better than other vitamin C formulations available on the market, crossing barrier 2, which is getting into the cells. Further, my research has shown once Pureway C gets across the first barrier of the gut, the second barrier of the cell, and is in cells, it is more effective at providing some of the normal physiological benefits that vitamin C provides when you compare it to some of the other formulations. So I'm very excited about Pureway C.
It sounds like it. It sounds like it's very effective, and it's fast.
It's fast. It gets in quick. It gets into the body quick. It gets taken up into the cells quick, and you have faster, better benefits with Pureway C than other commercially available forms of vitamin C. And the research publications in peer-reviewed journals, peer-reviewed journals demonstrate that this is scientific fact. It can be measured. We can see it. It gets in more quickly and has more rapid beneficial effects on the nervous system, on wound healing, and on the immune system.
Dr. Weeks, is there a place that people can go to see these studies?
Yes, the studies which have been published are available at www.inlabs.com.
Well, thank you for that information, Dr. Weeks.
Absolutely.